Hey guys, today we'll discuss about CT. What is CT? What is CT accuracy class and what is burden of the CT? CT is basically a instrument transformer used in electrical power system to measure high alternating current. In power system can carry 100 or 1000 amps. Directly connecting to a meter is practically not possible. That is why we use CT. CT reduce the secondary current in a measurable value. Usually CT reduce the primary current to 1 amp or 5 amp. Basically, suppose if we have a current, if rated current is 1000 amps, okay, if rated current is 1000 amp, rated current is 1000 amp, but 1000 we have to have a meter with the capability to measure 1000 amps. That will be huge. Okay, to measure this 1000 amp we need to have a current transformer. The current transformer, what it will do, it will reduce the current from 1000 amps to 1 amp, 1 amp, or 1000 amp to 5 amp. It will be easier to measure 5 amp or 1 amp for a meter instead of measuring 1000 amp. We need huge a meter to measure this because insulation and all these things will increase. That is why we use CT in electrical power system to measure high current. Okay, what is CT class? What is CT class? CTs are built for two distinct purposes: metering and fault protection. First, metering, and second, protection. A CT class is a standardized rating that tells us how much error is allowed under specific condition. Metering CTs optimized for high precision under normal operating load, usually from 5% to 120%. Normally it's happen. The load varies depending upon the load requirement of the. If, suppose if you are using, if you, the CT installed in the solar PV plant, in the morning time the power rating will be less because of the generation. Due to the time it will increase, and it will be at the top during the peak hours. It will not be constant 100% all the time. It will vary from 5 to 120%. In these scenarios we need a CT with a high accuracy class to measure with the less error. In a metering, normally 0.2, 0.5, 1 or 0.2s. What is the meaning of 0.2, 0.5, 1 or 0.2s? For the 0.2, the error will be plus minus 0.2%. For the 0.5, error will be plus minus 0.5%. And for 1 accuracy class, error will be plus minus 1%. Even for 0.2s, error will be plus minus 0.2%. Now you can see the error of 0.2 and 0.2s is same, but there is a difference between 0.2 and 0.2s. Normal CT of 0.2s, normal CT 0.2, the error of 0.2 class CT is plus minus 2%, but with the low load it will not be guaranteed error. It will not be as accurate as we are expecting. But for the but 0.2s class CT, even with the low load, you might be thinking about what is the difference between zero point 0.2 and zero point 0.2s CT, as the error are same. The main difference of 0 0.2 and 0 0.2s CT. 0.2s, yes, is the spatial accuracy. The CT keep high accuracy even at the low current value. Normal CT like 0 0.2 become less accurate at low load current, but 0 0.2s work accurately even when the current is small. This is the main difference between 0 0.2 and 0 0.2s. The accuracy will vary with the load current. If current is like in the range, in the tested range, the error will be remain same, but as the current goes down, the error will increase. That is why in the metering system we use 0 0.2s to get high accurate value to avoid any revenue losses. Now let's discuss about protection CT. Protection CT. In the protection CT, we usually have 5P10 or 5P20. Now you might be thinking, what is 5, what is P, and what is 10. P is 5. First, 5 is maximum composite error. 5 is the maximum composite error, 5%. Okay. What is P? P is the protection class. Protection classes shows the CT is for the protection purpose. And 10 is ALF. What is ALF? ALF, accuracy limit factor. A for stand for accuracy, L for limit, F for factor, accuracy limit factor. What does it mean? What does it mean? The CT will remain acceptable accuracy up to 10 into IN. The error of the CT will remain 5% even when the current is 10 into IN. Okay. What is IN? Where IN is rated current, primary rated current. IN is equal to rated current. Okay. Let's for example, our CT is rated for 100 by 1000 by 1 amp. Okay, 1000 by 1 amp, and 5P10. Okay, even if current goes to 10 into 1000, around 10,000, even primary current increase to 10,000, CT will reduce 6 to 1% and error will remain 5% up to this limit. After this limit, the CT will get saturate. Now 5P20 also the same, only the difference is accuracy limit factor 20. 5 stand for the maximum composite error. P protection class of the CT, it's denoted it is protection class. 20 is the accuracy limit factor. Even current increased, rated current increased to 20%. Accuracy class of CT will remain intact. The accuracy class of the CT will remain same. There will not be any change. but as the current increases, the accuracy will be poor, and after some point of time the city will saturate. What is the city burden? Burden of the city. A city tries to produce its rated secondary current, usually like as we see 100 by 1 amp or 100 by 5 amp. Okay, connected device oppose this flow. That opposition is called burden. Okay, the formula of this burden, VA is equal to I S square into ZB, where IS is secondary current, where IS is secondary current and ZB is the total secondary impedance. The total secondary impedance. CT burden refer to the load, total load connected to the secondary circuit of the current transformer. It could be a relay, it could be a meter. Every load has some load requirement, that is called burden to the CT. Now we will be able to write complete technical detail of the CT. Suppose if rated current is 100 amps, then 100 by 1 and 5p 10 the accuracy class, and 10 VA or 15 VA or 20 VA, whatever it is, that we need to check the load, actual load. Guys, thanks for watching this CT class. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. We'll have another session for PS class CT, especially for the PS class CT. It's the PS class CT is special designed CT for unit protection, like differential and distance protection. Then see you soon. Bye.